It's been great having a new bike, but this particular design doesn't allow for a kickstand. So when the bike is sitting in the garage, we had to find a better way to store it when it was not being used. We also had to be mindful of the 3-inch width on these mid-fat tires that come with the Stache 5. The solution? The Delta Cycle J hooks. I'll include a link below to the website for Delta Cycle where I found these hooks. They seem to fit perfect for the 3-inch tire and would probably fit a tire much wider. After measuring the distance between the two tires on the bike, I found a floor joist in the garage where I could install the hooks so the bike would be up and out of the way. I marked where I wanted my first hook and pre-drilled a hole. I then measured and marked out the distance between the two tires on the bike and marked the spot for the second hook to be installed. Once both hooks were installed, it was time to see how it looked. Well, looks like it should work and solve the problem of getting the bike up and out of the way in the garage. Thanks again for watching, and feel free to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.